After lying, Amari went on social media and said that she and Mr. Vegas are in a sexual relationship and even defended him against Dr. Love. Fame FM radio station from Kingston, Jamaica contacted Mr. Vegas to clear the air about the rumors. Here is the actual video.
And her man, and tell the world how great he is in fact. I don't know. Mr. Vegas is online to give details of this new relationship. Congratulations, Mr. Vegas. Understand that you and Amari are now in a relationship. Is that true?
Good evening, Janice.
Hi, Mr. Vegas.
You know what's sad about this whole thing?
What's sad about it?
A big station like Fame FM, that people like Francois and Kurt Riley and Colin Hines and these great disc jockeys have worked so hard over the years to build, and you people that are even in venturing into this drama and this stupidness and this mad woman. Just says a lot about the music business. It's like people nowadays like look for news or look for stuff to put on ear that and make people who are not supposed to even be mentioned on a station like Fame FM with no talent or anything like that, and just trying to use social media to create some form of hype. And to see that a station like Fame FM, which is a station I respect to the max as a major radio station, is gonna even bring the story or even make this into a story, it is very, very sad for music. It is a sad day in music. It is horrible, and I think it is disgusting for someone to even, and you know what again is really, really sad? The fact that you would even entertain this and laugh with it and think that Mr. Vegas would even be stooping to such a level of someone who is on the internet saying all kind of nastiness and doing all kind of nastiness, and for you to even think so low of me, for you to be even thinking so low of me and saying Mr. Vegas is Amari is giving bun to Gully Bop with Mr. Vegas. It is a travesty. It is a travesty, and the point that Fame FM. Why couldn't Janice call me on eBless and say, oh, I heard you have a new album coming out July 29th. It's called This Is Dancehall, and we're looking forward to it. And I think that would be a better interview than we coming on here speaking about someone with no talent. Absolutely no talent. Obviously a mad person, a mad woman, obviously. A mad woman. But Janice, you know the difference between someone who is sane and someone who is insane. You know that. And we should not be entertaining this stupidness, and we are wasting airtime, and we could have used this airtime to help some kids who are suffering in the ghetto, basically with people where people can donate some clothes and some money and some shoes to them. This is stupid, and Fame FM is a big station, and I'm so disappointed that a station like Fame FM would even entertain this drama and this stupidness. Have a good night. Have a good day, Janice. This is no story. This is no story, and this is stupid, and it is ridiculous. And people that has worked at your station over the years, to make Fame FM into what it is, this is a travesty. Big up yourself.
According to Fame FM, they had contacted Mr. Vegas prior to the phone interview to let him know that they were going to call him to question him about the relationship rumors between himself and Amari, and give him the chance to clear the air. It was very obvious that Mr. Vegas was planning to put them on blast, and even though he knew what the interview was about, he acted like he was caught off guard and flipped the script. Although, to be very fair to Mr. Vegas, from the tone of the radio announcer's voice, she was asking the questions as if there might be some truth to the rumors, when herself and everybody in the world already knows that Amari has a reputation of being a compulsive liar. This is my take on this situation. Mr. Vegas, if you did not want to do the interview, you could have turned it down. You had the opportunity to say that you did not want to do an interview about Amari and her silly rumors. I think that Mr. Vegas is on a self-promoting campaign, and even if he has to put a few people on blast and burn a couple of bridges, he's willing to do so. The fact that he has an album coming out is also too much of a coincidence and a convenient time to get some attention. To be fair, I did not get Mr. Vegas' side of the story, but certain things are clear and obvious. What did you think about Mr. Vegas' reaction? Is it bogus and disrespectful, or was it appropriate? Do you think that some of these radio stations really need to be put on blast or promoted more drama than music? Or do you think that music and drama are all part of the entertainment package? Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.